Welcome. In front of me I have Google Pixel 5 and today I will show you how you can add widgets to your home screen. So I'm going to delete this one and the first, and then we have to click and hold home screen, tap on the widgets and pick that one that we want to apply. I'm going to take analog clock, so just click and hold it and then put it, for example, here. Right now we can tap on it and the clock will be opened, but we can also change size. Click, hold, release, and then we are able to change size just like that. For sure, you can also put it on another screen by clicking, holding, and then dragging on the right or the left. And as you can see, it's very simple. So basically that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.